How to redeem promo code on Peacock. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the any preferred web browser on your desktop. Then in the search address bar, search for the couponfollow.com. Now, once inside the couponfollow.com, in the search address bar at the top, search for the Peacock. Then tap on it. Now there scroll down and look for the best offer option available. There are various options available: 50%, 40%, 60%. Simply tap on one that you prefer. All you have to do is tap on the show coupon code option available there right next to the coupon code option. There you can tap on the redeem on Peacock or simply copy and paste it if you have already logged into your Peacock account. You can navigate to the Peacock official website from here. Then select plans and payments and enter your promo code and click apply and complete any payment details if required. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.